Node.js Explained, Unleashing the Power of Server-Side JavaScript. Welcome to our animated guide to Node.js, the powerhouse of server-side JavaScript development. Today, we'll embark on a journey through the fundamentals of Node.js and explore its capabilities. So, what exactly is Node.js? Node.js is an open-source, cross-platform JavaScript runtime environment that allows developers to run JavaScript code outside of a web browser. Essentially, it lets you build scalable network applications. Traditionally, JavaScript was confined to client-side scripting within web browsers. But with Node.js, JavaScript can now be executed server-side, enabling developers to create powerful back-end applications. At its core, Node.js is built on the V8 JavaScript runtime engine, the same engine that powers Google Chrome. This allows Node.js to execute JavaScript code with incredible speed and efficiency. Let's see Node.js in action. Here's a simple example of setting up a server. First, we require the HTTP module, which provides functionality for creating HTTP servers. Then, we use the createServer method to create a server instance. With just a few lines of code, we've created a basic HTTP server using Node.js. But Node.js isn't just about creating servers, it also comes with a vast ecosystem of packages and modules to extend its functionality. From Express.js for building web applications to Socket.io for real-time communication, Node.js offers a multitude of tools to streamline development. Installing packages is a breeze with NPM, Node.js's package manager. Simply use the npm install command followed by the package name, and npm will handle the rest. By combining Node.js with frameworks like Express.js, developers can rapidly build robust web applications, complete with routing, middleware, and more. And there you have it. An introduction to Node.js, the versatile platform that's revolutionizing server-side JavaScript development. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials on React.